some bully beef and rice. If you're interested in this one, come let's make it together. I'm using onion, tomato, scallion, thyme, and a piece of pepper. Alright, so this is about half of a medium onion, because this was a big onion. So I'll chop this up. So, we are going with the tomato. Add pepper. I'm gonna do this quick and fast now. See if we can come out of the kitchen in half an hour time. And then we'll run on our scallion. Chop up everything and dash in at the pot. One go. And then we'll add the thyme to that. To our pan, I'm gonna add a little cooking oil along with butter. And we're gonna allow that to melt. So once we have the oil heated, we're gonna add with vegetable. So we have onion, tomato, hot pepper, scallion, thyme. Alright. And then we're gonna open more corned beef. As you tell you now, quick and fast, and we are doing it quick and fast. Oh, be careful. Alright. Alright, so I make this sauté, and we're gonna chop up the corned beef. So I'll cut up the bully beef so that when we drop it in the oil, it make it easier for press. Alright. You can chop it as fine as you like. Alright. And then once the pot ready, we just drop it in. Alright, we just have to start with tomato. Now I want the tomato to be so big and kind of like a man in my face. So that's the way. Right. Add the corned beef. I'll go with a little white pepper. Just kind of combine everything together nicely. going some rice. I recommend this nicely. I boil up water so the water on the ear. I'm gonna add some to the pot. People always wonder what we do the rest of the rice in a bowl, guys. When I lock up the camera, I always go back in and add it to the pot. Might not see it, but just so that when I take up the whole of it, I want that space to come there, clean out the bowl. We usually just turn off the camera and then we go back in and okay. So now this will go in with some water. The water hot, you know. That boiled it itself. I'm gonna add a little adobo. You can add a little salt. Not too much because the bully beef have a little salt already. But yet still I don't want the rice too fresh. So I'm going with a little adobo. And this I want more water, but I steam it off first before I add. So I'll cover this, turn it on low and allow it to steam. Alright, so let's go check on the rice. So fluff. You know, I put no more water in it. I need a pot special, you know. Clap that. Alright, I'll cover like this. Make it steam a little more. Okay, I have a few tough grains, so I'm gonna steam it for about 5 to 7 more minutes. So I'll come back 7 minutes time. Alright, let's see. Okay, this is it. Turn off the stove. I'm gonna sprinkle some stick just to give some color. Okay, guys, this is the final result. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.